Hey people, so we are at this place called Forefathers, and this is Thai green curry rice, and this is pad Thai. And yeah, Ayush, probably you could take a fork. And this place, if you were to take a look at the ambience, we are sitting right in front of a cooler, and it's quite nice. Oh, hello. So so this is so that's what this is pad Thai, and this is Anviku, come and sit here, sweetheart. So, and yeah, take a taste of it, Ayush, and tell us how it is. That's enough, Jonu. Yeah, how do you find it? Yes. How does it taste? No, love. To be really honest, it's on the very high side, the prices. So yeah. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.